Yeah, I know, right? They might have did a good job on this. Yeah. Yeah, since there was an underground that goes underwater, and then now I discover a tunnel that goes to the ocean right through those rocks over there. Ain't that very clever? Yeah, I say it is. 10 hours later. Well, there should be done with my ship by now. Totally. Okay, Opie. Your ship is repaired. Ah, very good, very good. Hey, one more question to ask you, three. While I was just getting some boards and some metal, I discovered a hidden tunnel. Oh, you did? Where to? Well, it goes underwater, right through those rocks over there, and then I discover a un, a hidden water that goes to the rocks, and then you know. Oh, that's our place. Exactly. So you discover our place? Yep, and to a tunnel. I'm glad you found it. Yeah, I'm a good Opie Wizards expert. Well, did you put extra cannons in there? They're already installed. Good. That way those sharks won't mess with us. At least the ship is prepared. And only one thing. I already signed the new characters. You did? Yep. You remember those friends that you showed us, Ollie? Yeah. Well, I already signed them on the list here. And along with that other new character too. Oh, okay. Alright, I already signed them. Elite. Let's get this ship back on the water and see it works. Okay. Ugh. Ollie, Beth, Skid. Um, hey, just in case we got a problem or something, can you stay beside us just in case? Of course we do, Opie. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Hey, it works very fine. Haha. It worked out pretty great. Yeah, totally.